Italian is Australian. Yep. Milan. It is this. I think Milan. Enter. Hi. Not number 6. Alright.
Here is the tip-off. And the quarterfinals. Step back to the field. Crosses over. Fires it up. It's good. Right. Finishes. Heating up. That's the half. And the second half is underway. He's got it. Bump fakes. That's good. To the field. Drives. Blocked. Settles for a long two. Bump fakes. Drives. It's good. They can win with a bucket here. Bump fakes. Here is the tip-off. And the semifinals have started. He's heating up. Great timing. From in the paint. It's good. And that's the end of the second half is underway. Takes it away. It's good. Step back. Great timing. Drives. Settles for a long two. Lays it in. A three here wins the game. And it rattles in. They can win with a bucket here. Bump fakes. They can win with a bucket here. Step back. Bump fakes. For the win. Rejected. Pretty shot. And it's good for the win. Here is the tip-off. And the championship is underway. He's heating up. That's good. He's on fire. Bump fakes. And it rattles in. First place is on the line. He's got it. Rise.